Hi, this silent solution today we are fixed how to SSH cannot connected refused. Let's go. This is my IP. Here is ping, but not connected our SSH. Let's go. First of all, we'll go to our server. System detail. SSD have no package or service here. We are in installation. I think. Why? Let's go. Now we are enable our root password here. Enable is same service. Yeah. Start. Now start us. Yeah. Our SSH service is connected. Let's go. We'll see again. Try connect. This is our server IP. Ping is done. Now try SSH. Yeah. Now his problem must be need to local SSH create. Where see how to local SSH. Just yeah. Now we're connected and try. Yeah. Yes. Our server password is done. Cat etc OS release. Thanks for watching. But sometimes the problem must be you have to your firewall SSH port or another issue have then must be so do you status inactive. Having active, then will be your port added and service address, then access. Thanks for